हेलो स्टूडेंट, ये है जेई एडवांस 2021 पेपर 2 फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। वन एंड ऑफ ए हॉरिजॉन्टल यूनिफॉर्म बीम of weight W and length L is hinged on a vertical ball at point O, and its other end is supported by a light inextensible rope. The other end of the rope is fixed at point Q at a height L above the hinge at point O. A block of weight alpha W is attached at the point P of the beam as shown in the figure. The rope can sustain a maximum tension of 2 root 2 W. Which of the following statements which are correct? The vertical component of reaction force at O does not depend on alpha. The horizontal component of reaction force at O is equal to W for alpha equal to 0.5. The tension in the rope is 2W for alpha equal to 0.5. The rope breaks if alpha is greater than 1.5. Now, this problem is based on the concept of equilibrium. If this rod is in equilibrium, the net force on the rod has to be zero in the vertical direction as well as in the horizontal direction. Also, for rotational equilibrium, the net torque of all the external forces has to be zero about any point. In particular, the net torque has to be zero about point O. So this is the point O, this is the point P, and this is the point Q. Point O, point P, and point Q. Now, the hinge point can supply two reactions, one in the vertical direction, RV, and one in the horizontal direction, RH. The tension in the rope can be taken as T. Now, this angle will be 45 degrees. So, RH, RV. The vertical component of tension will be T sine 45 equal to T by root 2, and the horizontal component of tension will be T cos 45, so that will also be T by root 2. Now, if you take the torque of all the forces about point O, then you can observe that the torque of RB and RH will be 0. The torque of W will be WL by 2 clockwise. The torque of alpha W will be alpha W multiplied by L clockwise. And the torque of tension will be T by root 2 multiplied by L in the anti-clockwise direction. So if we balance on the torque, you will get T by root 2 multiplied by L is equal to WL by 2 alpha WL. So this is the torque equation. This is torque about point O equal to 0. This will give you T is equal to W by root 2 plus root 2 alpha W. Now, if you balance the vertical forces, you will get T by root 2 plus RV is equal to W plus alpha W. And if you balance the horizontal forces, you will get RH is equal equal to T by root 2. Now, the first part is the vertical component of reaction force at O does not depend on alpha. So let us try to find out the value of RV. Now, we will use this equation and we will put the value of T from here. So I can write T by root 2 plus RV is W plus alpha W. Now the value of T is W by root 2 plus root 2 alpha W. W by root 2 plus root 2 alpha W plus V. So this is the value of T. This is nothing but T. So now you will get W plus alpha W is equal to W by 2 plus alpha W plus RV. Now if I cancel alpha W, you will get RV is equal to W by 2. RV equal to W by 2. So the vertical component of the hinge reaction does not depend upon alpha. So option A is correct. The horizontal component of reaction for force at O is equal to W for alpha equal to 0.5. Now, if alpha is 0.5, then tension will be W by root 2 plus root 2 alpha W. Alpha W. This will be W by root 2 plus W by root 2. So T will be equal to root 2 W. Now, the horizontal component of hinge reaction is RH equal to T by root 2, and that will be equal to W. So option B is also correct. The horizontal component of reaction force at O is equal to W for alpha equal to 0.5. The tension in the rope is 2W for alpha equal to 0.5. Now we have seen that when alpha is 0.5, tension is root 2W. So option C is not correct. The rope breaks if alpha greater than 1.5. Now, tension is how much? W by root 2 plus root 2 alpha W. Now the breaking tension is the breaking tension is 2 root 2 W. Therefore, for rope to break, this will be greater than or equal to 2 root 2 W. For rope to break. Therefore, we will get root 2 alpha W. Now W will get cancelled. Root 2 alpha is greater than or equal to 2 minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 alpha is greater than or equal to 4 minus 1 by root 2. This implies root 2 alpha is greater than or equal to 3 by root 2. This implies alpha is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. This implies alpha is greater than or equal to 1.5. At alpha equal to 1.5, the rope will achieve the breaking tension, and once alpha becomes greater than 1.5, the rope will break. So option D is also correct, and the correct option for this question are A, B, D. Thank you.